hour ago, I got picked up from the airport. This is Max. You might have seen him in my Epping video, and he's the new guy in the shop. He's gonna be traveling around doing all the race car stuff with us, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Right now, we're on the way back to the shop because we have to load the 18-wheeler. And right now, it is 8:30 on Tuesday night. This is usually when we're leaving. So we've got to pack the 18-wheeler tonight, try and get some sleep, and then tomorrow morning we've got a 13-hour drive all the way to Denver. Loading this trailer is like a giant game of Tetris. Right now, we've got the toolboxes, a tire, and a tub that we've got to set in here. And then after that comes the buggy and the parts washer. Then we actually get to put the funny car in. Then, since we transport both cars in this trailer, the dragster goes downstairs right through the middle with special tires put on it. Inside of the trailer right here, all the toolboxes go right here along this wall, with the drawers facing into the wall. Now, we always have packing blankets on here so that they're not beating up against the wall. But basically, you just line them up and put them in. Next up is the golf cart. It fits right in right here, in between the toolboxes and the lights. This is what everything looks like packed before the funny car goes in. We are done upstairs for the night. So we just finished loading the trailer. We've got a few more little odds and ends that we've got to put in, but in probably an hour or so's time, we will be on the road on our way to Denver. Kind of an update with the driving. Right now we're in a state of confusion, or New Mexico I mean, sorry, same thing. In about 45 miles we'll be crossing over into Colorado and all the mountains, so that's going to be a super pretty drive, especially for Max, who hasn't seen any of this West Coast stuff before because he's from up in Massachusetts, so he's enjoying all the scenery.
What's going on, everybody? So me and McKailen here are heading up to Denver for the race, and getting a little bored on this trip. I decided to pick up Bean Boozled at the truck stop. So this should be interesting. If you haven't heard of Bean Boozled, they're Jelly Belly jelly beans. Half of the bag is really good, and half of the bag is absolutely disgusting. You got flavors like liver and onion or cappuccino, old bandage or pomegranate, or let's say dirty dishwasher and birthday cake. So the way me and McKailen are going to play it is we're going to play rock, paper, scissors. If you lose a round, you got to pick a bean. You're going to either get a good one or a bad one. So think? You ready?
No.
You're not ready? You can't spit these out. You have to be a man and actually eat it. No looking at my hand.
Wait, is it rock, paper, scissors, shoot, or rock, paper, like...
Shoot. Go on, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh! I'm up first?
Yeah.
All right.
Here we go, buddy.
All right, what do I got? I think this one's the buttered popcorn one. So what is it? Buttered popcorn or what?
What?
It's like
yellow
white
one?
and yellow.
Rotten egg or buttered popcorn?
Oh, dude, I hate this one. All right, here we go. That's right, man.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you're up, sucker. Look at bean. Give him the beans.
Alright, I got the other yellow one.
Uh-oh. It's not
Buttered
good.
popcorn.
It's not good. If it's rotten egg, it's not good at all.
You just had the rotten egg.
I did. It was bad.
So I've got buttered popcorn.
No, it could. Eat it. Eat it.
Good.
It's buttered popcorn.
Yeah.
You bastard. Now, we're going to establish a rule. If you lose twice, you get one bad one. Or if you get no bad ones, it's a tie. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So like, say if you like lose 3 times in a row and you don't get a gross one, it's a tie. You have to get a gross one and lose 2 out of 3 to be deemed the loser.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh. Alright, this one's like all just like pure white. Like white, like
Dirty
tan.
dishwasher or birthday cake?
I don't know what it is. Hey, gross. God damn it. Go, water.
I guess it's dirty dishwasher.
Whatever it is, it's disgusting. Oh my God. I'm dizzy. I never thought something could be so disgusting it makes you dizzy. God, I'm driving.
I'm up by 1. Alright.
Alright, Kaylin's in the lead.
Alright.
Well, give me like
20 minutes?
No, like 15 seconds here. That's like stuck on my tooth too. It makes it worse. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Alright. Pure white one with little flecks on the inside. Is this the same one you just got?
Yes.
So it's either dirty dishwasher or birthday cake.
It's not good. Not good at all. You will know instantly.
Okay, I've got the water on standby.
It's not like the toothpaste. Oh,
Birthday cake.
you bastard. So you're still in the lead.
Yeah, I'm up by 2.
No, you're up. We're tied with rock, paper, scissors rounds.
Oh, yeah.
But I got the bad one.
Yeah. So we're tied 1-1.
I need to win this round, and he needs to get a bad one in order for it to be deemed a tie. And then we can do a follow-up game some other time. Ready?
All right.
For all the beans! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Oh no! Damn it! You're just gonna rub it in. I'm gonna get a bad one. I know it. All right.
Here we go, buddy.
What's that? I saw a blue one in there. I'm kind of hoping for that. Oh, the steak bug.
Nice.
It's the steak bug. My least favorite one too. I want to try to like throw it up and then catch it. I can. If I drop it. Alright. Why, God? Ugh. Oh, God. Oh, God.
God can't help you now.
No, I'm just sweating. Oh, it's so bad.
That wraps it on this week's round up at Bean Boozled. He's gonna go cry now.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it.
All right, so we just stopped at a pilot truck stop for a few minutes so that we could get coolant for the motorhome. And right now we are exactly 60 miles away from the track in Denver. So we've got to get there and get the pit set up and ready to go.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record.
Alright, so we just got to the track in Denver. We've got the 18-wheeler over here and the motorhome behind it. We're gonna park them real quick and start to get the pit set up because we are extremely far behind.
Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take it back.
So what I'm gonna do here is go through and bridge the motor, getting the compression heights for all the pistons. And we do this so that Dad can pick gaskets and set the tune-up correctly to the rack that we have in the car. Because not all the rods and not all the pistons are the exact same size.
For the record, lab on me going all the way.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. We got the cars pretty much ready to be put together tomorrow. So we will deal with that, and that will be in the next video. See y'all next time.